Okay, so we just got through harvesting our patient Amir's donor hair. We were able to extract 3 separate half-centimeter strips. Let's take a look at what we did here. The whole process took us about 20 minutes or less. As you can see here, our first strip is about 36 centimeters. If you look up top here, this is a 35 centimeter ruler. On the bottom we have a standard ruler, which is a foot, equivalent to about 30 centimeters or so. So our very first strip, you'll see, is over that 36 centimeters. I want you, the audience, to take a look at how there's no transection. For anyone who watches my videos, transections when we're dissecting the follicle in half and destroying it. So as you can see, everything's intact from the top to the bottom. You can see bulb, follicle, bulb, follicle, bulb, follicle, meaning it's coming out on the top and it's not cut down the middle. Now, what's interesting about this is you'll see on this top strip, it's 36 centimeters long, but it's a half centimeter in length, which means this is equivalent to 18 square centimeters. This one strip is equivalent to 18 square centimeters. If you were to have a ARTIS procedure by the robot or a follicular unit extraction procedure, their best day may give you this one strip. So this one strip is what you can expect in total for your entire day of harvesting all the follicles out one by one. Now, if you look here, we have an additional 2 separate strips that are even longer than that first one, also without transection, yielding the full amount of donor hair. As you can see, everything's perfectly intact, where there is no cut follicles. If you look at that, just pristine as could be. Okay? So we'll be able to maximize the donor out of that area. So we were able to get this patient another 2 strips in the same or bigger length than what you'd get by doing the robot or a follicular extraction in a fraction of the time. So this patient's going to yield anywhere between, let's say he has, each of these are half centimeter strips with a total of 56 centimeters squared. If the average patient gets 200 hairs per square centimeter, he's almost at about 12,000 hairs right there. So a little less. Let's call it 11,000 hairs for math. So 11,000 hairs in one procedure in approximately 5 hours.